Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Alchemy. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Alchemy is breaking out different falling wedges on the 7 day time frame chart. Like first it broke out this falling wedge pattern, then we had a nice pump, then broke out another falling wedge pattern, then broke out a smaller falling wedge pattern, and recently it has formed another bullish path pattern, and that is another falling wedge pattern. But while moving inside this most recent falling wedge pattern, the price line has lost a very significant uptrend line support. You can see that this uptrend line support was coming from the month of December 2022. We had a bounce here and another bounce here, and this was another bounce, and finally we have broken it down. And after the breakdown, the price line has retested the previous support as a resistance and got rejected, again tested the support of the wedge, and now it is recently geared up and moving towards the resistance of the wedge. This time when the price line was testing the support of the wedge, there was also a hidden bullish divergence flash. You can see that on the 7 day time frame chart, the price line formed this low here, and the next low, it did not form lower than previous one. In fact, it formed a higher low than previous low. At the same time, if we take a look at the RSI, then you can see that RSI was forming a lower than previous low. If I place a trend line here, then it will be more visible to you. You can see that it was forming a lower than previous low, and the price line has followed this hidden bullish divergence signal, and they covered back and bounced very well from the support, and now it is about to hit the resistance of this falling wedge pattern once again. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will also share the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for fetch.ai, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade signal like this for the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Alchemy. And this is the weekly time frame chart. In here, you can see that for the past several months, it was moving at this uptrend line support. You can see that from the month of December 2022, it was moving at this uptrend line support. And while moving at this support, the price line was also breaking out different patterns. Like first, we broke out this very big falling wedge pattern here in the month of January 2023. Then we had a nice short rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that it was almost 613% pump, but the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance of 5 cents that was previously working as a resistance here, and again it worked as a resistance. Then we broke out the next falling wedge pattern, then we had another very nice pump, and this was from this low to this high was almost 297%. By the way, during this rally, the price line also formed this smaller falling wedge pattern and broke it out as well, but again got rejected by this key resistance of 5 cents. And now recently the price line is once again stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern, and now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time it can break this pattern. This is the bullish bias pattern, therefore there are more chances for the breakout. However, if the price line breaks down the support of this falling wedge pattern, then in case of breaking down, the technical target will be approximately at $0.007. And in case of breaking out this resistance, first we will need to break out a crisscross of the two resistance levels. One will be this uptrend line resistance, another one will be this long-term resistance of 2.3 cents that had been previously breaking at a resistance here for several weeks, and resistance here and here. It was also breaking as a resistance as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance, and almost there we will have this uptrend line resistance as well. And then after breaking out this crisscross of the resistance levels, the pricing can once again hit the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. That will be again here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 5 cents, and over there. We have already seen that we have a quite long-term resistance. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this previous breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern, that target or move is still due, and that target can be here at the top of this wedge, somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.